Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off keyboard sounds on your Android device. Let's get started. First, open any app where you can type, like a text message or notes app, and tap on the text field to bring up your keyboard. Now, to silence those keyboard clicks, follow these steps. Tap the settings icon on your keyboard or go to your device's main settings menu. Navigate to Preferences or Sound and Vibration Settings. Look for the option labeled Keyboard Sound or Keeper Sound. Simply toggle it off. And that's it. Your keyboard should now be quiet. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. See you next time.